So how to make your first $100 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? As you know, if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, someone watching this video, and if you want to know how to have your first, let's say $100 or $500 day with affiliate marketing, then you have to understand the first thing, which is your audience, right? It's all about your audience. Once you pick your niche, right? Once you, let's say, go into the weight loss space, for example, right? Like many people do, and you pick the offer, which should be high quality, right? And what I mean by high quality means that the product should be great. Like for example, let's say with the iPhone, right? When someone buys iPhone, they don't have to do a lot of marketing. And the reason why, if you stop and think about it, is because the product itself is already great, right? People enjoy the process, the product, right? Everything is perfect. So there is little marketing that have to be done, right? Not a lot of sales copies or pitches with iPhone, for example. So you have to think in these terms when you do affiliate marketing, right? If you have your audience, first of all, who is your audience, right? What do they want? Like for example, let's say if I take vegetable, right? I'm vegan or something like that, that kind of sort keto diet, right? And you're offering me, let's say, wine, right? It's totally unrelated thing. It's not the relevant score. It's really low, right? It's not relevant, right? It's no connection between vegetable and alcohol, right? It's different thing. So you have to think in these kind of terms when you promote products as an affiliate on Clickbank or any other network out there, right? Because it doesn't matter exactly what the network is, right? But what it's really important is that you understand you need to have a high quality product and the traffic, which is of course what? People, right? They're traffic people. So you have to understand people, you have to know what do they want, what they are looking for, right? What kind of pains, problems they have right now in this moment, and how do they want to solve that pain or problem, right? How, which way they want to solve the problem. And once you understand that, once you did a little bit of research, then you go and try to create headlines in your ad copy, right? You use the landing page, and then you promote on your website or your blog, right? You promote the product, and this is how you make sales, right? But no one is telling you this. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to put up the actual Google ad or Facebook ad campaign, how to set up your landing page correct way, so why? So that you're not getting shut down by Google or Facebook, right? Because most of people buying courses are getting daily shutdowns running YouTube ads, Google ads or Facebook ads, right? They're getting shut down daily because they don't understand the compliance factor, right? Which is X factor, I say VIP factor. And if you understand that and you apply that, right? It's important, apply, not only understand, then you will avoid getting banned, right? By Facebook or Google or YouTube ads, right? When you're running those ads. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, then do let me know, right? Below this video, I'm going to have the links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally, one-on-one, and then ask me any question you want, okay? So just click the links below this video and reach out to me. And please, before you stop watching this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.